Hello, so today I'm gonna be unboxing this, and it says that I need scissors to cut this, but I only have fingernail clippers, so I'm gonna try that first. And yes, this is hard. Those are just like pliers. It did give me a little spot to like grab into, or something. I don't know. And it's almost open. This is difficult. I wish I knew where my scissors were. Or my knife. Oh. Okay, I was looking for my blue knife, but this one works too. Yes. And okay. Thought it got opened. So yeah, I have this one. So it says the combination is 1, 2, 3, which it's not. 1, 2, 3 combo. Yeah. So, oh, 2, 3. It's 1, 2, 3. It's not opening. Maybe, no, it's this side. Okay. So, I will actually have to be picking them, because it's not working. Alright, I unboxed that one. See you in the next video for the next one, unboxing thingy.